In our last video, we completely stripped down this 25-year-old Yamaha RX100. Every nut, every bolt, every part, taken apart and inspected. Over days of restoration, we cleaned, repaired, and rebuilt each piece, bringing this legend back to life. Fresh paint, polished chrome, rebuilt engine, all coming together to recreate that original glory. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. That's the heartbeat of the RX100. Smooth, crisp, and ready to ride again. From a pile of parts to a roaring classic, this Yamaha is back on the road, and the legend lives on. Some call it a motorcycle, we call it a time machine, taking us straight back to the golden days of two-strokes. This isn't just a rebuild, it's the revival of a legend. This is why we restore, to keep history alive, one ride at a time. Machines like these don't just run, they make hearts race. If you loved this transformation, don't forget to check our teardown video and subscribe for more restorations. This RX100 is ready for the road. Where should we take it next?